Hey Namaste guys, Shobra here, and today is a very special video, so let's begin. So guys, thank you for all the support because you have just hit 100 subscribers. You might be thinking that 100 subscribers is not a big number, but for a beginner YouTuber, it's a very big deal. Thank you for all the support that you have given me, and I hope that you'll keep supporting me throughout my journey. Thank you for watching this video. These are my friends' channels. Make sure you go and subscribe to their channels. Link in the description box below. Bye guys for now. I'll catch you in the next techie video.